I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, division. Renu has 12 apples. She distributes them equally among her 4 friends. How many apples are there with each of them? See, these are 12 apples. Then she made a group of 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, number of apples, total 12. Number of friends, 4. Means number of apples for each friend means each friend got 3 apples. Okay. Number 2, Anand has 20 marbles. He distributes them equally among his 5 friends. How many marbles? Okay, among 5 friends, and how many marbles are there with each of them? Number of marbles 20, number of friends 5, and 4 is the answer, means number of marbles with each friend. So we read this as 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. Okay. Solve the following word problems. The chocolate in the figure has 15 pieces, right? 3 children share it equally. How many pieces does each child get? 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. Next, there are 8 cricket balls. 4 children share them equally. How many balls does each child get? 8 divided by 4 is what? 2. That means each child gets 2 balls. Next, there are 12 pencils. Total pencils 12. They are put equally in 3 boxes. How many pencils are there in each box? 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Okay. Division as the repeated subtraction. Students, you already know that division is a repeated subtraction. Okay. We already studied about this in the previous class. Now consider the following example. Arvind has 20 pencils and he needs to put them in packets in lots of 4. How will he go about it? Okay. First packet. Arvind takes 4 pencils. He puts them in a packet. 20 minus 4 is equals to 16. He is left with 16 pencils. Now, second packet. Arvind takes 4 pencils more. He puts them in the second packet. 16 minus 4 is equals to 12. So, now he is left with 12 pencils. Now, third packet. Arvind takes 4 more pencils. He puts them in the third packet. That is 12 minus 4 is 8. He is left with 8 pencils. Fourth packet. Arvind takes 4 pencils more. He puts them in the fourth packet. That is 8 minus 4 is 4. Now, he is left with 4 pencils. Fifth packet. Arvind takes 4 more pencils. He puts them in a fifth packet. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now, no pencils are left. How many packets did Arvind use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks. 8 divided by 8 is what? 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay. Now, solve the following word problems. There are 24 books. 6 books are given to each student. Okay. Total books 24 and 6 books are given to each student. How many students get the books? 4. Okay. Next, there are 30 toffees. Total 30 toffees. Each child is given 6 toffee. Okay. How many children will get the toffees? 30 divided by 6 is 5. Okay. Next, division on a number line. When we want to multiply on the number line, we make equal jumps forward. Okay. 3 into 5 is equals to 15. Here we are talking about multiplication. Okay. See, 3 sets of 5. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, when we divide on the number line, we make equal jumps but backward or to the left side. So, we write 15 divided by 3 as 5. Okay. Now, write a multiplication fact and a division fact for each number line. Okay. See, one has been done for you. Multiplication fact is 3 into 7, 21, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay. Multiplication fact, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 3 is 12, or you will write 12. Here you can write division fact 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Okay. Write the division facts for the following. One is done for you. Okay, so we will start with this. 7 into 5 is equals to 35. We have to write the division fact. See, if we divide 35 by 5, we will get 7. If we divide 35 by 7, we will get a 5. Okay. Next, there is another way to divide numbers when numbers are large. Consider this example, 35 divided by 7. It is written as like this, 35 divided by 7. How many 7s are there in 35? We start the table of 7. And you know that 7 into 5 is what? 35. So, we write here 7 into 5 is 35. Okay. And 35 minus 35 is 0. So, 7, this one is called the divisor. 35 is dividend and 5 means the answer is quotient. Okay. So, we will find the quotient in the following cases. 9 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. So, the quotient is 3. 2 6 are 12. Okay. You will write here 9 also and here 12 also. Okay. So, 6 is quotient and here 9 is quotient. Okay. Next, division with remainder. Suppose you have 9 apples. You want to divide them among 4 friends. You can give each one 2 apples. 1 is left. This leftover is called what? A remainder. Okay. We cannot divide 9 exactly by 4. See, because by 4, you know 4 into 2 is 8. Then 9 minus 8 is 1. This is the remainder and this is the quotient. Okay. This can be written as like this. 9 divided by 4 is 2 and remainder is 1. Using multiplication tables, we can divide numbers easily. Okay. Next is 30 divided by 7. Okay. So, you know that 7 into 4 is 28. Okay. Now, subtract 28 from 30, we will get 2. Okay. So, 4 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. And one thing, always note students that the remainder is always less than the number we divide by. Here, we are dividing by 7 and the remainder is less than 7. Okay. Always remember that. Now, complete the division. 8 divided by 3 and then you have to write remainder also. Okay. Let's do the division first and then we will write the quotient as well as remainder. 8 divided by 3. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9 is greater than it. We will write 3 2s are 6 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So, here we will get 8 divided by 2 is 3 is 2 and remainder is 2. Okay. Division with remainder. Using multiplication tables, do the following divisions. One has been done for you. Let's do the next one. 16 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. 1. Okay. So, quotient is 3, remainder is 1. Similarly, here 7 5s are 35. Okay. If you know the table, 7 5s are 35. 7 minus 5 is 2. So, quotient is 5, remainder is 2. Okay. Division of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Divide 89 by 3. Okay, step 1, divide 8 by 3. Okay, first we will take this number. 3 goes in 8 twice. 3 2s are 6, remainder 2, then we will bring down 9. Okay. Next, write 2 as quotient in 10th column and write 6 below 8. Now, step 2, bring 9 once down. We have 2 in 10's place and 9 in 1's place. So, 3 goes into 29, 9 times. 3 into 9 is 27, right? 9 minus 7 is 2. So, 29 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Okay. Now, let's divide the following and write, we have to write quotient and remainder as well. Okay. 26 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. 6 minus 4 is 2. So, 6 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Okay. Word problems. Example, on his birthday, Rohan distributed 85 sweets among his 7 friends equally. How many sweets did each one get and how many sweets were left? So let's find out. See, total number of sweets 85, number of friends 7. Let's divide 85 by 7. First we will take this 8, 7 ones are 7, 1, then we'll bring down 5. 7 twos are 14. Okay, so each friend gets 12 sweets and 1 sweet is left. Okay, now let's solve the following word problem. In a class there are 45 students and there are 8 benches. If equal number of students are seated on them, how many students are left out? Okay, total students we have 45. Number of benches, how many benches are there? 8. So if we have to find out how many students are left out, okay, so number of students in each bench, okay, each bench is equals to 45 divided by 8. Let's divide it. 45 by 8. 8 5s are 40 and remain 5. So number of students in each bench 5 and number of students are left how much? 5. 5 students are left out. Okay students, now you will do remaining questions. Okay, next, unique nature of 0 and 1. Let us consider the special behavior of 0 and 1 in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, first addition, nature of 0. On adding 0 to any number, we get the number itself. Okay, 8 plus 0 is what? 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. Okay, and nature of 1, on adding 1 to any number, we get the number just after that. Means 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, subtraction. Subtracting 0 gives the number itself, means 8 minus 0 is equals to 8, 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. And on subtracting 1, we get the number before it. 20 minus 1 is 19 and 19 is before 20. 13 minus 1 is 12 and 12 is before 13. Okay. Next operation is multiplication. On multiplying any number by 0, we get the product as 0. For example, 4 into 0 is equals to 0. 12 into 0 is equals to 0. No matter how big the number is, whenever we multiply a number by 0, we always get a 0. Okay. Next, on multiplying any number by 1, we get the number itself. Okay, like 9 into 1 is 9. Next, division. We cannot divide any number by 0. Remember that. We cannot any number by 0. However, dividing 0 by any number gives 0. For example, 0 divided by 5 is equals to 0. 0 divided by 10 is equals to 0. Okay, and on dividing a number by 1, we get the number itself. That is, 8 divided by 1 is equals to 8. 17 divided by 1 is equals to 17 and 5 divided by 1 is 5. Okay, so students, do remember all these, the unique nature of 0 and 1, and do practice of this chapter also.